Sanibona bafethu, sanibona emakhaya. I hope sonke saphila. I hope sonke sinelanga elihle. I hope sonke sazama ngamandla wethu ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi siphumelele empilweni. I hope like senza izinto manje ekufanele like sizenze ukuthi sikwazi ukuqisa impilo zethu siqondise lapha ekumele zibheke khona. Bafethu angikhulumi kanje because leli ukuthi ibhanoyi, no. Lento is registered. It is registered, understand? When they say it is forestry, think about what is a forestry for a second. What is a forestry for a second? Is when we come in engage, we grow our money to build the land. Understand? It's a forestry investment. Understand? So le company iregistiwe kunama office wakhona. Understand? Once when awayilahla lento le wayitshela ukuthi no, mina ngizongena amabhanoyi ngoba lo ungitshelile but asilazi office lakhona. Yilapho ke manje wena usuzoluza imali yakho, ngiyaxolisa ngalokho eqedukeze. Yilapho ke wena usuzoluza imali yakho. Understand? But la awuluzi imali. Understand? Because lento is registered. Many people uma nakhona babo ukuthi vele usuyasebenza ngalomkhahla, uyabizwa ofisini, ufika unikezwe ama-medal, unikezwe i-certificate, unikezwe, understand, bakutshela ukuthi sacela wena nomndeni wakho uze sikhambise emazweni, uphume nje nomndeni wakho, uphume nje mahala. Cabanga nje kuthiwa wena uye Dubai mahala, cabanga kuthiwa wena uye America mahala. Ayifani nale ukuthi usazobhadala every month, ubhadala kayi-1 in 2 months, kayi-1 in 2 months. Bafethu alento angeke izihlule, izohlula laba abangathandi ukulungisa impilo zabo, iyohlula bona phela. But laba abaqini abayitshelile ukuthi vele mina ngizovuka ngiyenza umzamo ngempilo yami. Understand? Thina sahola manje everyday, sahola thina manje everyday. Wena awuholi ngoba awufuni ungena la, uyasaba. Understand? Some other times thiwa take a risk. Umnyango awusivulekeli wena ngokwabo, kumele wena uthathe i-risk ukuthi lo mnyango lo odinga ukuthi uvuleka wena uma usuthathe i-risk emhlabeni. Understand? So lento izokusiza kakhulu, idinga nje u350. Cabanga u350 wakho masukuyenzela i3000, ucabanga u350 wakho masukuyenzela i3000 kuthiwa hamba udraw anytime. Thiwa wena hamba udraw anytime, hayi ukuthi usazolinda imanzi ukuthi izifike njengamanye amabhanoyi khona bazo le mangabe uyafuna hamba udraw manje, uwe uphethe ikusasa lakho la. Bengeke ngize nginikeze, but kumele nginikeze ngoba many of us like singabazala, we are single parent. Yazi ukuthi kunzima kanjani endlini. If you are single parent unabantwana, some they bayesikoleni abakwazi uku understand, but wena njenge leader as a breadwinner you need to make something. Olabantwana bakho abawu5 ungabafaka nabo bangene ngaphasi kwabo nihole every day. Cabanga lento le. Let's think about it, South African young youth, than ukuthi sithathe imali sothenga amawuka pipe, sigcina abantwana bethu bahlale etradeni emakuleni izinto enjalo. Understand? Let's fight for poverty like isilwela ukuthi abantu abangaphandle baphuma. Lento asilwele asiyenzeni i-success ukuthi nathi sikwazi ukuphuma enhlophekweni. Peer reflection.